Hi guys, John and Jack, back again with some more self-defense applications from kata. So we have a kata called Sepai, and the first portion is like this. You step back, and the hand comes down, and then we have this here, and we pull this section here. Just want to really focus on this section here. Right? We still are going to use the first part. So again, you could do a wrist grab, you could do a lapel grab. We're going to stick with a haymaker, a big right hook coming in. So it comes in, this first part traps, this strikes in with the forearm, the elbow. There's a low stance, which means you could come over like this, and then this is when we get this hand clasp, and we bring in nice and tight to there. Okay, so the point of this is, the wrist bone here goes across his neck like that, and then this arm here is pushing against the other side of his head like that. Almost like an arm triangle. We're going to squeeze like that. One way to use that. Or we could take him off balance, take it this way, take him off balance, take the leg, go down with him to the floor like so. Now, from this position here, we need to create more leverage. Okay, so his hand's there. All I have to do is walk my legs further this way, get my head tight, and squeeze from there. So the whole point of this, go back up, the whole point of this is to have the arm by the head, and you don't want any gaps. You want to reduce all the space in there, getting your head here, and squeezing nice and tight. So again, this goes across the neck, and this is super tight. All you do is clasp your hands together, keep the elbows tight, and squeeze like that. Okay? So here we go. So it comes in here, and just injecting in with that to stun him. Come under, grab, take, bring it down, and then just walk this round to here, close the gap, and squeeze. Be careful when you do that, because there's a lot of blood and stuff going to the brain of your partner. Give it a go. See you again next time.